Alright, welcome to today's video. You can see lots of chrome. Today we're putting together the front grille and bumper. And I created some AI music to help it not be so boring, so hopefully it sounds right. So, this is me all set up in the garage. My son's helping me assemble this. This is 4 pieces of chrome, 1 piece there of red. So, bolting everything together, slow and steady. But yeah, so we're assembling it. Hope you guys enjoy this. Hopefully the music helps. Trying to get all these lock washers and stuff on everything. It's quite a bit, so I'll pop in and out as I feel I should. But you can just watch me, and I hope I cut it up enough to make it not too boring, but at least display what we did. So you can see this piece here, it's another piece of chrome I bolt to the top, and it helps it to look cool and be complete. So trying to hold it, and not worth it. Got it up there. Now my son and I are putting them together, and then you have these horns, and then all the horns have little pieces of chrome, and yeah, a lot of assembly, a lot of work. Super fun to do it, super fun to watch. But yeah, so these little pieces are all the original chrome. Zoomed in quite a bit, but yeah, whatever. Kids are having fun, trying to put all the chrome together, figure which way it goes. Lots of fun. So, what you think of the grill? It's getting close. Oh, I did my steering wheel. I had filled in all the cracks with this Plastifill, and yeah. It's white now. So, but this other third piece is what the hood latch bolts to, and the bracing, and all sorts of stuff. But yeah, shiny stuff. The chrome, you can see the roof in it. That was kind of cool. But got to bolt it all together. This is out of the car. So this is what I call the stiletto. It's my little high heel I built to go on that bracket. There's 2 of them, 1 for each side. They're still loose, because I extended beyond the radiator mount to hold the intercooler radiator and condenser, and then the center one there, that holds the hood latch so it doesn't smash all the chrome. So you can see us picking it up and putting it on. I love how this is, because you assemble it and then you shove it in there and bolt it on. So enjoy a little more. So this whole thing, it pokes into the fenders, and then you go on the back and you got to bolt it to the 2 front fenders through like where the blinkers are. And then once those are bolted, you also have to bolt to the stiletto. I think that's what we're screwing with right there. Is the little stiletto bolts go in there. That holds the grill down. Then you have the other stuff going around it. It all works out pretty good, but we've got to get under and around the whole front end. So we basically climbed all over it. I think it's like 110 degrees when we're doing this. These black mats are in the shade, so you don't die. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch some assembly, and I'll keep kicking in and out. In case you're wondering why I have a drill, I put some sticky rubber between the valence and the fender and then I drilled out the rubber so that I could get the bolt through. And then my kid was trying to figure out why I had to drill also. So, but yeah. I do have to say, it was good bonding time with my son. You know, you have small hands, put them in here, fix this. What are you doing? So, super fun to teach my kid how to cuss at cars and how to try to fit your hand where they don't fit, how to cut your fingers and wrists and arms and elbows, and what a beautiful Saturday afternoon with me. Sandals, rolled up pants, hole in the knee. I look pretty ghetto, to be honest, but why else would you work on your car? Sandals are safety shoes, I think. And really, the dangerous part's my head under the car, but no one's dying, so... yeah. So this is how we were for like about half a day, because we spent the evening before assembling the grill, and then just all the time together, which you guys are probably sick of seeing. So look, we switched sides. Woo! But yeah, so tons and tons of time working on it. He couldn't get the bolt, I couldn't get the bolt, because the original design, all the bolts are easy to get to. Somebody built new pieces, now they're not easy to get to, because the intercooler, the radiator, and all the brackets I built are where your hands should probably go. So now you got to reach up inside of my inner fenders that aren't matching original, and all the other stuff that some engineer really thought through, and I undid it in just a couple months. So, yeah, keeping cruising. My son must have got bored, or I sent him for something. I have no idea. He actually kind of seemed to enjoy this, so if you ever have a son who says, "Dad, I'm bored in the summer," buy a car, have him rebuild it with you. See, he's back. He didn't leave me forever. Maybe he did. It's like, "Dad, you're still out here doing this?" Dumb, and just left. I have no idea. I don't remember. And it was only a few months ago. I'm getting there. Growing old. After hours and hours and hours of messing with the car, installing bolts where they haven't been for years, I was thirsty. Like I said, it's like 110 degrees, and I'm dying. You can see the beautiful shade shield for the camera coming over. And I keep working. I gotta get the latch stuff figured out. I gotta get all these little pieces sorted. Camera got way hot. I think I had to switch phones. The batteries died. Either way, this is going super fast, but it is not fast enough, is it? So trying to find all the pieces to make sure this is up so that when I close the hood, I don't hit the intercooler or any of that stuff. Make sure it's all solid. But yeah, so getting this grill put together was a lot of work. As you can see, it's looking better and better. You can see the latch right there and the stupid towel that fell down, or probably a pillowcase, or I don't know what it was. It didn't work very well. The camera's got super hot. Everything's starting to die. If you've made it this far, you realize this took forever. So this is the latch pieces for the hood, because I'm sick of, ratchet strap and bungee cords holding it down. I actually wanted to have a hood latch and be a man. So here is what the car looks like with the everything on, because when I was doing the bumper, I needed everybody to do it and my cameras all died. So this is probably like even the next day. So we got it all on, and as you can see, he loved it. I love it. I hope you guys liked it. Please tell me what you think of it in the comments. I'll see you on the next video. Have fun.